The kidney, in response to acidosis, retains the bicarbonate ion and eliminates hydrogen ion, or it produces new bicarbonate ion. When the alkalosis condition is there, the kidney eliminates bicarbonate ion and retains the hydrogen ion. Large amount of bicarbonates are filtered and hydrogen ion are secreted by the kidney. Almost 99% of bicarbonate is absorbed by combining with hydrogen ion. If the filtered bicarbonate is more than the secreted hydrogen ion, then it results in the net loss of base from the blood. And if the filtered bicarbonate is less than the secreted hydrogen ion, then it results in the loss of acid from the base. So during acidosis, we know that there is an increase in hydrogen ion concentration, and so all the bicarbonate is absorbed and the kidney produces new bicarbonate. And during alkalosis, we know that the hydrogen ion concentration is less, so there is a less or decrease in the absorption of bicarbonate, and the bicarbonate excretion in urine is also decreased. Kidney regulate the extracellular fluid hydrogen ion concentration by secretion of hydrogen ion, by reabsorption of filtered bicarbonate, and by production of new bicarbonate. Hydrogen ion secretion occurs in all the segment of nephron. Secreted hydrogen ion is buffered with the bicarbonate in proximal segment, resulting in the absorption of bicarbonate ion, and it is buffered with sodium hydrogen phosphate and ammonia in distal segment, resulting in the production of new bicarbonate ion. These processes can be shown in the following slides. In this slide, the bicarbonate absorption occurs in the proximal segment of the nephron. Here, the sodium ions are reabsorbed from the filtrate in exchange for hydrogen ion by an antiport mechanism. In apical membrane of the cell lining of renal tubule, the cell produce bicarbonate ion that can be shunted to peritubular capillaries. When carbon dioxide is available, the reaction is driven to the formation of carbonic acid, which dissociates to form bicarbonate ion and hydrogen ion, as one can see in this diagram. The bicarbonate ion passes into the peritubular capillary and return to the blood. One can see that the bicarbonate ion shown to pass into renal interstitial fluid by red arrow, and thus the bicarbonate ion returns to the blood and hydrogen ion is secreted into the filtrate, where it becomes part of new water molecule. It can be reabsorbed if the water concentration in the blood is less, and if the water concentration in the blood is more, it can be removed out of the system in form of urine. In this slide, one can see the production of new bicarbonate by phosphate buffer in distal tubule. It is also possible that salt in the filtrate, that is in the tubular lumen, such as sulfate, phosphate or ammonia, will capture the hydrogen ion. If this occurs, the hydrogen ion is not able to combine with the bicarbonate. As in this slide, one can see that how the hydrogen ion is being captured by sodium hydrogen phosphate or sodium monohydrogen phosphate, resulting in the formation of sodium dihydrogen phosphate. So we see that the hydrogen ion H plus is not available to combine with bicarbonate ion, and in the tubular cell we see that the carbon dioxide reaching into the tubular cells combined with water forms carbonic acid. This carbonic acid dissociates to bicarbonate and hydrogen ion. In such case, bicarbonate ions are not conserved from the filtrate to the blood, which also contribute to a pH imbalance and acidosis. The hydrogen ion compete with potassium to exchange with sodium in the renal tubule. If more potassium is present than normal, the potassium rather than hydrogen ion will be exchanged and increased potassium will enter the filtrate. When this occurs, few hydrogen ion in the filtrate participate in the conversion of bicarbonate into carbon dioxide, and less bicarbonate is conserved. The chloride ion are important in neutralizing the positive charge in the body. If the chloride is lost, the body uses bicarbonate ion in place of lost chloride ion. Thus, the lost chloride result in an increased reabsorption of bicarbonate by the renal system. In this slide, one can see that in the collecting tubule cells, the ammonia present in tubular lumen reacts with hydrogen ion, forms ammonium ion. The chloride combines with the ammonium, and in the tubular cells, carbon dioxide from renal interstitial fluid enters, combined with water, forms the carbonic acid, then dissociates into bicarbonate and hydrogen ion, and the hydrogen ion is used for binding with ammonia, forming ammonium ion NH4+, while the bicarbonate is driven into the renal interstitial fluid. The potassium ion enters the collecting tubular cells by an energy driven process, and sodium is given or absorbed by the renal interstitial fluid. So we see the combination of hydrogen ion with ammonia in the collecting tubule. Disorder of acid-base balance. Acidosis, when the pH decreases of extracellular fluid. This may result in disease conditions like we know of Addison's disease, Cushing's disease, etc.